How to fix Xbox app not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox app not downloading on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps, and now apps again here, and here type Play Store, and now go to permissions, check all of those permissions here, and then just click for stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, this one here, click on it, and now just go back and try to download it again, and your problem must be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.